Hey guys, some of you know I'm sick. I'm getting ready to go to the ER. I'm having trouble breathing. I am a smoker, and I've had some chest congestion for quite some time now, and have never gone and seen about it or getting medication for it. Well, it's to the point now where I can't breathe. Chest hurts really bad, so I'm going to be safe and just go. I'm praying it's not pneumonia. I don't know. But I thought now would be a great time to go over the importance of disinfecting your denture, partial, sleep aid device, whatever. And I need to clarify some things with Dr. B's liquid cleaning crystals. It says on the box, and this is my fault that I did not catch this. It says on the pump, sorry, no bleach. So, and also, if you want a list of ingredients, I had said something yesterday about they did not divulge the ingredients. That's not because they're trying to hide something. If you want to know, if you want a complete list of ingredients, I believe JP said that you can go to their website and it will tell you. If you have any problems at all, you can always email them and they will get back with you. This is a fantastic company. So this stuff, I'm going to tell you, especially now, right now, since I'm sick, I'm going to be, I'll be soaking and brushing the denture off 3 or 4 times a day right now. It is so important to clean, not just clean, to disinfect your dentures or partials or sleep devices or anything that goes in your mouth. These things grow bacteria, guys. Just a regular denture tablet soak is not going to kill that stuff. It is so dangerous not to soak your things. My main reason for using this stuff is because I have an issue with thrush. You guys know that. But it is also good. It kills that candida. It also kills the strep. But guys, it is so, I can't remember where I left off. It's so important to disinfect the stuff. I know people, I don't know people personally, but from reading in the different denture groups, watching videos, I have seen and read where people have actually died from getting something like strep or staph, and it was from their denture. So it is so dangerous not to disinfect these things, guys. You have to. So I just wanted to clarify, if anybody has any questions at all about any of Dr. B's products, you can comment here. Either I will reply or Dr. Berlin, JP, and their team will reply to you. And I want to also take this time to thank Dr. B Solutions for everything. You guys are fantastic. I love the products. Like I said, I am a lifetime user now. I won't use anything else. And I know most everybody that has tried your products loves them too. So thank you for your generosity. Thank you for everything. And I'm excited to try new products if you guys come out with anything new. So you guys have a great night. I'm off to the ER. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a little update. I just got home from the ER. They did a complete chest pain workup and all that because I was short of air, just to make sure. All that stuff came back fine. I just have a severe case of bronchitis. So they gave me antibiotics and they gave me something to help my fibro pain, because since I've gotten infections during, the fibromyalgia has flared up. So I feel really bad. But thank you everyone for your prayers. Again, I wanted just to do this video to reiterate the importance of disinfecting your dentures, your partials, your mouth guards, anything, any device that you put in your mouth. Dr. Berlin's liquid cleaning crystals is great because it's the only thing I know of that actually disinfects. Since I am sick, I will be using it probably 3 or 4 times a day right now. So, very good products, fantastic company. If anybody wants to try the products, I'm going to put the link to their Facebook page in the description. If you message them, they will be happy to send you out a sample of the products, okay? Hang on and let me show you what they have currently. Alright guys, here's the products. You've got an adhesive clean-a-dent, which is the paste to brush and keep clean your gums. It's really soft. It's fantastic for the gums. You can also use it on regular teeth. I have my Bottom Natural still, and that's what I use. I use that to brush my implants, the clean-a-dent to brush my implants and my Bottom Naturals and my gums. And then the liquid cleaning crystals, which is a disinfectant, and it's fantastic. And the only thing I know of that kills the candida, which is what causes thrush, strep, staph, any other dangerous pathogens. So if you want to try some, I will put the link in the description. Send them a message and they will be happy to send you a kit out. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you, Dr. Bees. Thank you, JP. Thank you, Dusty. I appreciate you guys more than you know. I'm going to rest. You guys have a great evening.